Hi, we're going to talk about something that is a little bit more advanced, but it's not that hard to learn either. And I think if you want to be able to move between different documents or websites while you're planning, this is super helpful. So we're going to insert a link that will take us to, you have three options. It'll take you to a website, it'll take you to another page within the document you're in, or it can take you to a different document entirely that you have in your Goodnotes. So I have put check budget as an item. Now, in order to insert a link that will take me to where I have the budget, you can do it several ways. You can be out of editing mode and you can long press where you want it. You're going to see a menu pop up that says add link. You can be in lasso mode and long press and it's going to pop up. You can also be in text mode and long press and it will pop up. If you're in writing mode, however, it's not going to do that. It's literally just going to write as you touch the pencil to the screen. So we want to erase that and we can just go back into, we'll just stay in lasso mode. It's fine. So we're going to long press. We're going to click add link. Now what it's going to do automatically is insert a picture of a link. You can leave that or we can change it. I'll show you how. So for the moment, we want to set the link settings. This is going to decide where we want to go from that link. So you have an option of a document or a website. Now we're going to do document first because I'm going to show you how to link to a different notebook entirely. So we're going to leave document chosen. Then we're going to decide which document. It's going to come up with a list of all the things that are in your documents in Goodnotes, and you can pick which folder or notebook you want to link to. So I created one to test. We're going to pick hello, and that's a notebook. I'm going to hit select. And now I'm going to decide what page do I want to go to. And it's going to bring up a window that shows you all the pages in that notebook. So I'm an animal person, so I created a few pages with animals. So we're going to decide, we're going to have it linked to page number 4. All you have to do is tap it, and it's going to keep it there, page 4, the hello notebook, and it's a document, not a website. So guess what? You're all done. You can tap out of it. We can go on. We can do other things on the page. And if you want to go to that link, all you have to do is touch it. And look what it did. It just brought you right to that document. Now, I should warn you that it doesn't just automatically work in reverse. So you can't just hit the back arrow and go back to your original page. So you might want to put a link. If there's, say this was a budget and you wanted to put a link going back into your planner at whatever page you're comfortable landing on. So just remember the links have to be both going and coming, okay? So we're gonna go back to our Goodnotes screen. I have favorited the planner page, which is a different video, and we're gonna go back. Hey, here's a quick reminder. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe so that you can get my other videos, and you can also get updates from my storefront where I have free digital planning resources for you. You get updates on upcoming workshops that I have, additional free resources I'm going to put out there, and there's always going to be buttons on there to connect to my other social media platforms. Thanks for your support. Have a great day.